Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell. I post weekly tutorials to help you build, customize, and grow your Shopify store with confidence. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a privacy policy page on Shopify and add it to your store's footer menu. This process is crucial for your online store, as it helps inform your customers about how their information is used and, most importantly, builds trust with your audience. Having a privacy policy also helps your business comply with global privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA, and other regional data protection regulations, making it not just good practice, but a legal necessity for most online stores. First, let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, locate the Settings option. You'll find this usually at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu, where you can control various aspects of your store. Next, within the Settings menu, click on Policies. This section is where you can manage different types of policies related to your store, like refund, shipping, and of course, privacy policies. By managing your policies here, you ensure that they are easily updated and automatically accessible across your site, which keeps your store consistent and compliant. Updating your policies regularly is essential, especially if your business collects new types of customer data or starts using third-party apps for analytics, marketing, or shipping. After that, navigate to Written Policies. This will direct you to the section where your current policies are stored. Now we're focusing on setting up the privacy policy, so go ahead and click on Privacy Policy. In the Privacy Policy section, you'll see a toggle button which allows you to automate or manually enter your privacy details. For this tutorial, we're going to be manually managing our policy. Click the toggle button to switch off automation. This gives you full control over the exact wording of your privacy policy, which is ideal if you want to add personalized details or align it with your brand tone. Copy the existing text that appears by highlighting it, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Once you've copied it, you can delete the text from this section. Now make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Saving ensures that your work is not lost, and you can always come back to edit later if needed. Quick tip: before pasting any privacy policy template, take a moment to review it. Make sure it reflects your actual data practices, such as what information you collect, how it's stored, and whether you use cookies or third-party tracking tools. Next, let's add the privacy policy to your store's pages. Go back to your Shopify admin homepage and click on Online Store. Within this section, you'll see an option called Pages. Click on it, and then click on Add Page to create a new one dedicated to your privacy policy. In the title input field, type in Privacy Policy. Then go to the Content area and paste the text you copied earlier. This makes sure your privacy policy is clearly presented and accessible on your website. Check if the visibility is set to Visible so that your customers can actually see the page once it's published. Once again, hit Save. At this point, your privacy policy page is live. But there's one more step to ensure easy access for your visitors. To add your privacy policy to the footer menu, go back to your Shopify dashboard. Click on Online Store and then Navigation. In there, find the footer menu and click on it. Choose to add menu item here, label it as Privacy Policy, and then link it to the page you've just created by selecting it from the Pages dropdown. Finally, press Save to update your menu. Now your customers can easily find and read your privacy policy by accessing it from the footer menu of your store. The footer is the perfect place to include other important links like Terms of Service, Refund Policy, and Contact Us. This makes your site look more professional and helps customers feel secure when shopping with you. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up a privacy policy page on Shopify and added it to your store's footer menu, enhancing your site's professionalism and credibility. If you want to make your privacy policy even more transparent, consider adding the date of the last update at the bottom of your page. It shows customers that you're committed to keeping their data safe and your policies up to date. Thanks for watching and happy selling. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials that make managing your online store easier and more efficient.